I came from nothing in this bitch, gonna get my money, then I take off in my spaceship. Nigga, you better know I'm a blood, but I chill with Crips. Got a pistol on my hip, nigga, I'll be shooting you in your face if you run your lip. Nigga, I'm from the fucking East Coast. Nigga, you better know me, I'm a nigga do the most. You better know we rock the strike force. Hey, Air Force, you can never come close. Nigga, you better know I got Balenciaga, I got that Gucci. I got bad bitches looking like they be Karuchi. Bitches wanna star in my life just like a movie. And you better know I don't play no fucking lady. Your bitch got a big booty, that's why I took her from you. Nigga, and you better know I keep myself a 45 and a 42. I'm aiming at you. Nigga, I better know I'ma kill you on a cool, ayy. Kill you and your crew if you ever violate. You get annihilate, nigga. I'ma open your face like a gate. You get disintegrated, nigga, cause you fucking hating. And you better know there's no fucking time for the debating. Yeah, conversation delay, that's the same thing. Nigga, I got guns that I got from Beijing. And you better know they full up that got be a thing. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Look at your arm, bro. Yeah, they don't know I got the fucking tats, the title. My lines are vital and I'm fucking suicidal. And you better know I'm up fucking your bitch cause she a slut. In her face I bust a nut. And you better know I'ma pull up, shoot you in your gut. Nigga, you better know I'm a big killer like Teddy Buckshot. Bro, me don't give a fuck about the pussy nigga. Squeeze the trigger in his face, make the gun start a race. I caught a case, nigga, your brain all the space. Now your brain in the sewage like it is fucking waste. Yeah, I caught a case, MP the fucking green face. Yeah, the weed of smoke ain't laced, but I got the grabber in it, bruh.